In today's video, I'll show you how to improve your Tableau dashboard design quickly and effectively. Whether you're new to Tableau or already building dashboards, these design tips will make your visuals cleaner, more engaging, and easier to understand. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Tableau tutorials every week. Start by opening your Tableau dashboard. To give your design a professional structure, use a grid layout. It keeps everything aligned, balanced, and visually consistent, helping viewers focus on the story your data tells. Next, always use fixed dashboard sizing. This ensures your dashboard looks the same on every screen without elements shifting or overlapping. A small change that makes a huge difference in user experience. When arranging visuals, place your most important chart or KPI in the top left corner. That's where viewers naturally look first, so it's the perfect spot for your key insight. Keep your design simple and focused. Aim for only 2 or 3 visualizations per dashboard. Too many charts can overwhelm the viewer and dilute your message. To make your dashboard more interactive, add action filters. These allow users to click on visuals and explore data deeper, turning your dashboard from static to dynamic. And finally, maintain consistent fonts and colors throughout. This not only enhances readability, but gives your dashboard a polished, professional finish. By applying these simple yet powerful techniques, your Tableau dashboards will stand out. Clear, interactive, and visually stunning. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more Tableau guides, and comment below what tutorial you'd like to see next.